are pleased to show you the 2015 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, keyless start, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.